she's already pressing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that fast.
I'm going too fast.
I know. That's incredible.
She
So,
already knows how to touch.
so you just point at it?
She already knows to nose target.
Mm-hmm. So, but how did she know where to touch?
So,
You by looking?
yeah, well, so I'm looking where I want her to go, but also both of my dogs, because I train with them doing shaping so much, they know to just to start interacting with an object if they're not sure what to do.
Uh-huh.
So if she was a dog who didn't know,
Mm-hmm.
you know, any of that stuff, this just lift down, go down.
Mm-hmm.
Then I would start like this.
Okay.
No. Then I would actually have whatever object I was going to use, and I would hold it up and I would present it about 2 inches away from the nose.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Because dogs naturally want to sort of sniff something new that's presented.
Uh-huh.
And so I just do it that way.
And you have the clicker right there.
And I have the clicker, yeah. And so as soon as I feel her nose touching, no. So I just do this a few times.
Mm-hmm.
Oops. Get some treats. And then I, started on the. Oops. Don't want to hit that.
My goodness. You are really a trainer. What difference it makes?
Yeah, it goes really, really fast.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, they already know how to do stuff too, so that.
So you're waiting for them to offer behavior, basically.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So what you're doing is actually great. I mean, it would be considered, lure, prompting or luring.
Mm-hmm.
Good girl. Good girl.
That's so cool.
Girl.
Do they differentiate color like yellow, white? Uh-huh.
Yeah.
They're red, green blind, right? Color.
No, that dogs can see. I mean, my understanding is that dogs can see all of the same colors that we can see, just they see them a little differently. Whereas cats, green, I think they can only see green and blue, or they have more color sensitivities. Want to go again?
And she's so focused too. Like she's not distracted by me or.
She likes working.
Mm-hmm. You can tell the difference when the dog is used to training and working. Mm-hmm.
Good.
Oh my goodness.
Girl. Good girl. Okay, all done. So if I was starting with a dog who was new, I would probably do 10 treats, and I would hold it down, and they'll almost always sniff an object. It's like if I just wanted to teach her to touch this,
Right.
And if I present it, they almost always come forward and sniff it.
Right.
So then,
That's so natural to them.
yeah, it's totally natural. So you just sort of capitalize on that. And when I want to take a break, I would actually just keep this off here, because I wouldn't want to miss chances to reinforce, right? So if she's out here pushing it and nothing's happening,
Right.
she might think, oh, only works if I'm here.
Okay.
And I really want her to do it even if I'm not here. So when I'm first teaching a new dog who doesn't know how to nose to target or anything like that,
Right.
I would take this away And when I was done, I would just set it on the counter, and then I'd come back and maybe do another session.
Right.
And you could do it inside, you could do it wherever, but
Right.
it might work faster if you work where you want to have
Right.
the
Right.
device, right? And then gradually I would put it on the wall. But so yeah, I'm waiting for her to touch it.
Right.
When she does, I'm clicking and reinforcing.
Right.
But the way you're doing it too is fine. Put a treat in here,
Mm-hmm.
and that's great because it sort of encourages the dog to go up to it.
Right.
And then I would just say you want to be careful that if you put treats in here too fast, if you keep putting treats in there, the dog can. Okay, go ahead. The dog will learn that to only push it if there's a treat present.
Okay.
So that can happen. So you want, because it's considered like prompting or luring. So if the treat is absent, sometimes the dog won't push it.
Okay.
Not always, but that can happen. It's sort of like if you're holding a treat in your hand and you ask the dog to sit. Then
And
if you do that
they
too
make
many times
association-
and then the treat's not there, they consider that part of the cue.
Mm-hmm.
So,
I see.
Right.
Okay. I get it.
so and then, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I basically do after they learn to push it and get reward, and then I transition into giving them
You push
reward
it,
after it goes
They
in the
come
door.
inside. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, that's great. This will work. This will hopefully work great because
That's cool.
they'll do the bells, but I just don't. The kids are loud, and I don't
Right.
hear it all the time, and so I
Right.
think they're kind of.
Right.
And they were scratching on the door.
Yeah,
So.
that's great.